माय क्वेश्चन टू सोनम को, मेरा प्रश्न ये, दिस साइड ओके। सोनम, हाँ, बहुत ऐसे बच्चे होते हैं जो पढ़ाई अधूरी करके फिर वो इधर उधर लग जाते हैं अपने काम में। तो आपके हिसाब से एक स्टडी कंप्लीट करना कितना ज़रूरी है और उससे आगे उनको क्या क्या फ़ायदे हो सकते हैं, ये बताइए।
ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि मेरे लाइफ में मेरी लाइफ में कोई रिग्रेट्स नहीं होने चाहिए, पर मेरी सबसे बड़ी ये रिग्रेट है कि मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट की नहीं। और इस साल आई एम गोइंग टू फिनिश माई ग्रेजुएशन दिस ईयर। आई एम going to fill in the forms and I'm going to get my undergraduate degree in literature, etc., etc. And for me, it's one of those things that I regret the most, because the people who I meet who are educated, way more educated, I might be more well-read than they are, but they're way more educated than I am. And for me, that's always a deterrent. I feel like I could have learned so much more. I feel like I could have been wiser where my work was concerned. Everybody says, but did you use those math equations at work? But that applied logic might not be something that I'm using directly, but that logic is something that I might use in maybe looking at my contracts, or it's just logic. It's discipline. It's having the patience to read. It's like, for example, as an actor, you need to do homework. You need to wake up in the morning and by heart your lines. In the evening, you need to come back and you have to do homework. ये सारा discipline हमें college और school में ही मिलता है. Research करना, ये सब करना. It's so important, and I stopped studying in the 12th. I got my graduation, bilingual diploma, etc., etc. सब बहुत खुश थे. और मैं आई और मैं actress बन गई. मैं 4 साल और wait कर सकती थी. पर you're so hungry to do something with your life, it happens. And at that time also, a lot of people said, no, finish your education, finish your education, finish your education. It's only inside you to do that. But my advice is to all the young people out there, finish your education. I regret it, and you will regret it 10 years, 15 years, 20 years down the line.
All right, sir, go ahead. I don't know where the mic is. Yeah, this gentleman's also been waiting. Can you just go ahead? Oh, yeah.
Sorry to disturb you all. Good afternoon, ladies.
Namaste.
Farokh, yes, hi. Well, these last 3 answers of yours were great. Not that you were answering it, but that's what's needed. In our country, discipline is what is lacking. And the more we go ahead, the lack of discipline, this is because of education. And everybody wants to do something without being educated. And it's not like yourself, who were trained abroad, who had certain background, and were looking for more. Here is a question of, you want to do this, just go ahead. You don't have to need any education. Yeah. And that is why the indiscipline rises. And then it goes on, and 90% of the people, and those, I don't have to say it, but our country depends on those people even to vote. And that is where we go wrong.
That is very unfortunate. And for example, in our industry, our films are in Hindi. Okay, we speak Hindi, but like most of us don't even speak Hindi properly. So it's just about educating yourself. It's about learning your craft. For example, if you're a journalist, study journalism. Do this. There are a lot of people who just, or you're getting into a corporate. There are lots of things. We are a country of, our biggest asset is the people in our country. We have like a ridiculous population. We have the kind of talent that we can take over the world. We can become a superpower. And that only comes with education, discipline, and focus. And if that is there, I feel like nobody, especially with women, since we're talking about women, I think women we will be given opportunities if we work hard enough, think hard enough, and and want to do something more with our lives besides get married and have a picket fence with 2.5 children. So it's really, really, really important when you've been given the opportunity to use that opportunity, grab that opportunity and do more with your life. I think so. So please, young people out there, just do something.
All right.
Sonam, talking
sorry,
about
sorry.
Bollywood, which is the most
No, you've got your
woman
chance,
which
yeah?
inspires you more
Last
in
question.
Bollywood?
1 minute. Sorry, sir. I'm so
Yeah.
sorry.
Sorry. No, the thing is, we just need to wrap up. I'm sorry. You've got your one question. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Ma'am, that's the
Yeah.
last question for today.
Sonam, talking about Bollywood, which is the woman that inspires you more in Bollywood?
In Bollywood,
Yeah.
which is the woman that inspires
Yeah.
me the most, I think it's my sister, Ria. She's 21 when she produced Aisha. She finished her education in New York. She was at Stern. She came back. She was one of the most brilliant students at the Ambani Kokila Ben School. She came back. She worked hard enough. We did whatever we could to get PVR was kind enough to like our project and make Khoobsurat. She did the first Disney branded film in India, which was called Khoobsurat. Both Aisha and Khoobsurat have been successful. They've made money. And she's starting this brand with me called Reason. She's extremely innovative, extremely creative, and extremely hardworking. And I think that's all thanks to my parents, who never ever said that you can't do something just because you're a girl. And my sister runs my dad's company, and she does it with ethics, idealism, and correctness. So if I have to look at somebody who does things just by sheer will and determination, it's my sister. She's not even 30 years old. She's like 26, 27, and she's already producing 2 more films and 1 more TV show. And she's doing it just by strength of will. My dad has not helped her at all. I can say this in writing. She's done everything herself. Yes, we have the opportunity of being rich fathers' children, but at the end of the day, there are lots of kids who come from this sort of background who do not achieve the amount my sister has achieved. Yeah, you have to have the drive.
Last question to Mansi.
And she styles me.
Yeah. Last question to Mansi. Mansi, this is 3 successful years you have completed, and what are the expectations from this 4th year?
Yeah, so? Expectations. I think, we are just very excited to be honoring women from various fields. And every year we try to search for people who are not known by anybody. These are people who are silently working, and we pick them out, we choose them from, let's say, a majority of list. I mean, it's a huge list, and we choose them from that. It's fabulous because you are inspired by these women. I think that's it. The expectation.
In India, we talk about education. If a person finishes 12th, you have to, go and finish your graduation, then undergrads. Our parents always push us for that.
Yeah.
So what was like your reaction from your parents?
My mom was not happy at all because my mom's side of the family are doctors, engineers, and bankers. We come from a Sindhi Amal family where it's only about education. And so she was extremely disappointed. My mom was a graduate of St. Xavier's, and she got some 96-something%, and she was like ridiculously smart in economics and stuff. She wanted to be a lawyer, all of these things. My dad was also in Xavier's, but he dropped out. And he met her in Xavier's, St. Xavier's. And obviously to get into St. Xavier's, you have to be smart, but my dad didn't end up finishing college, and he became an actor. So my mom was completely against it, but my dad always regretted not finishing college. And he said, well, you'll regret it later. But my parents they don't browbeat you into doing anything. They'll never say, you have to do this. They'll always give me a choice, saying that we are not happy with you doing this, but if this is something that you really want to do, then go ahead and do it. Because they feel that no matter, you have to learn your lessons by yourself. They can just show you the correct path and give you the options and tell you the choices and say that this is what is going to happen in our experience and this is what's not going to happen in our experience. And at the end of the day, they give you the choice, especially after you're 18 years old, you're an adult. So I made the choice, and I'm doing okay, honestly, but I'm doing fine. But I regret it just for my own personal growth. I feel as a person, I would have been better off if I was more educated. And it's not like you can't study later on in life. I'm going to be studying through correspondence. So I'm going to be finishing my graduation. It's not like I am, but you know, I would have loved to have that college life and like be outside college instead of inside it, all those things. So that would have been fun.
Any college or universities that you're looking at?
Well, right now, just Bombay University.
All right, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so
ladies.
much, everybody.
Can
Thank
we
you.
have maybe the three